Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivekatt and I like to do face transformation makeup tutorials. Today's look is inspired by a Chinese rapper called Vava. I'm not really into hip-hop music, but I like her style. Here is a before and after makeup comparison. I'm gonna transform myself from a potato to hip-hop queen, if I may call myself that. First, I'm taking a liquid concealer that is 3 shades lighter than my own skin tone and putting it on the areas where I want to highlight or where I have discolorations, and blending it out with a beauty sponge. After that, I'm using a cushion foundation to cover up my acne scars on my cheeks. Time to contour! I'm using a cream contour today and I'm just putting the shadows on the areas where I want to contour and putting highlights on the areas where I want it to stand out more. I'm only putting highlight on my entire forehead because my forehead is quite small and I wanted it to look bigger. And I'm just blending the contour out with a brush and a sponge. And I like to use a smaller blending brush on my nose to make my nose contour more precise. And voila, there is my cheekbones, my nose and my chin that I never had before. Okay, now it's the last step of the base makeup. I like to use transparent powder when setting my makeup after I have used the contour cream, because I don't want the colored powder to take away any color from the contour. And I chose to lightly bake my face for like 5 minutes because it's winter time. I don't want my face to feel too dry. I think base makeup and contour is super important because you still look like yourself, but a better version of yourself. Okay, let's move on to the frame of your face, your eyebrows. So the brow shape I chose to go with this look is arched eyebrow, and it doesn't have that much of gradient. It is pretty much a popular shape, I would say, in the West, but it is the first time for me that I draw my eyebrows so arched and round in the front, but I like this shape. I like this shape on me. If you are like me, doesn't have that much brow hair, then you can pretty much draw in your brows like you want. There won't be any hair in the way. And hey ho, there is my eyebrows. Thank you, makeup. Thank you. Now when my face and my eyes have a frame, aka my brows are down, I'm just putting this brown shade all over my eyelid and also putting it on the area where my brows and my nose is connecting. And then I'm taking this darker shade and putting it at the outer corner of my eye and also at the inner corner. And then I'm taking this shimmery gold shade and putting it in the middle of my upper eyelid, inner corner. And then I'm taking that dark brown shade again and putting it all over my entire lower eyelid. Now time for eyeliner. For this look, I want my eyeliner to show, and since I have monolid, so my eyelid is up the eyeliner, that's why I need to draw on my eyeliner that thick. But you can adjust the thickness of this eyeliner on your eye when you are doing this makeup on your eye. And since this rapper really likes winged eyeliner, that's why I'm drawing on a thick wing. And I'm also opening up my inner corners to balance out my eye because I don't want my eyes to be too far away from each other. I want my eyes to be neighbors and not strangers. Using the same eyeliner, I'm drawing on a fake lash line at lower eyelid to enlarge my eyes. Okay, time to move on to the lashes. First, I'm curling my almost not there eyelashes and applying some mascara, and then I'm putting on a pair of falsies. And yeah, I still don't have that double eyelid, so today I'm gonna cheat with eyelid tape for the first time. The double eyelid tape I am using today is this kind of lace type of double eyelid. It is almost invisible and I got them for 5 years ago when I was insecure about my small eyes. So I don't really remember the brand, it was 5 years ago. And then yeah, there is the double eyelid. Voila, magic! And then I'm applying the mascara at my lower lashes and putting on a little bit of falsies in the end of the eye where I created the false lash band to enlarge my eyes. And we are done with the eye makeup. Time to move on to the blush. So here I'm using a coral shade blush and I'm just lightly applying it on my cheeks because the eye makeup is really heavy and the lips will be heavy as well, so I kept it simple on the cheeks. And today I'm gonna use this lipstick as highlight, but if you have oily skin, definitely do not use this lipstick as highlight. And you can also put highlight in the middle of your lips to make your lips look plumper, bigger, thicker. This is the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful in some way. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I got a new mic again because I thought the audio was not good enough. So I hope there is some difference because I spent money on this. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my tutorials. I will put everything I have used in this video in the description box down below if you are interested. You can recreate this look just using the products that you have. I don't think I used anything special except the lipsticks. If you miss me here on YouTube, then you can go over to my Instagram where I almost update every other day. My Instagram name is same as here, Vivekatt. So if you would like to follow me on Instagram, then please do it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I just wanted to say to all of you who are still here, you must be one of my true love subscribers. Thank you so much for all the nice comments about my English and my English accent in my last video. It really encouraged me to do my voiceovers better. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you guys next time.